I'll give you one more example regarding this. Take it as the first example. Second example. He said to me, I have been working here. He said to me, I have been working here. So, what is your first duty to do in this? What is your first duty to do in this? Sorry? Identify. First identify. What kind of a sentence it is? What kind of a sentence it is? Is it past perfect? Is it past perfect? Present perfect. थोड़ा अच्छे से ध्यान से देखिएगा. Been is the past word, but have is the present word given over here. This is the most important thing which you have to know. Tenses में पहला तुमको ये identification आना ही चाहिए कि sentence क्या, what type of a sentence it is. Is it present? Is it past or is it future? Okay. So this is present perfect tense I have given over here. Identification is done. After identification, what you are going to do? Change of reported verb. Change करके बताओ reported verb में क्या आएगा करके. I had given over there set to. Set to will become. Set to क्या होगा? Set to ऐसे का ऐसे रहेगा. Told me. सवाल में भी पूछ के जवाब भी नहीं दे देती हूँ. He told me. Replace with the conjunction of that. That add कर दो. I. Change of pronoun. He. Have will become as. Conjunction that add कर दिया. Check. Change of pronoun is done. Now check your sentence. It is given as past perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect क्या convert हो जाएगा? Past perfect. He. Have का had हो जाएगा. Had been. Updated specific words. Here का specific word क्या आएगा? There. He had been working there. Understanding 10th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? See, until and unless you won't be interactive, then you won't understand grammar. Huh? It is not that I am going to pour you a bucket of knowledge and you are going to pick it up. No. Practically जब तुम देखेंगे, जब तुम समझ में आएगा, तब कुछ दिमाग में जाएगा. याद रखो. First I identified the sentence, then I changed my reported verb over here according to the rule. उसके बाद मैंने क्या conjunction add किया था. After adding the conjunction, the pronoun is changed in the direct speech to the indirect speech because he is over here. So इसको directly यहाँ पर आया, लेकर आया. And what happened next? Present perfect जो था उसको past perfect किया और here को कैसा there किया because of the updated specific word. Understanding? Any doubts about this? One more sentence for you, and I want you guys to solve this. अब ये solve करने बोलो तो ग्रुप में से remove मत हो जाओ. 1999. She said, I have been on the web since 1999. First, identify. I want you to solve. Present perfect. Okay. Present perfect के बाद क्या करेगा? Present perfect तो नहीं समझ गया? हाँ? चल, reported verb निकाल फिर. Voice is not coming. Voice आ रहे बेटा अभी मेरे? चलो बताओ. Reported verb इसमें क्या दिया? So set का set ही हो जाएगा ना? या set का set तो हो जाएगा? चलो फॉर्मुलेट करके बताओ. सेट का सेट ही होगा. वेरी गुड. She said. फिर उसके बाद me we करके कुछ दिया नहीं है. So before starting with the direct speech, start with the add with the conjunction that. अभी कंटिन्यू करो. that का conjunction मैंने ऐड कर दिया. उसके बाद क्या स्टेप करेंगे इसमें? हाँ वेरी गुड. आई की जगह पे शी आ जाएगा. कैसे आएगा? उड़ के नहीं आएगा. चेंज ऑफ प्रोनाउन हो रहा है इस जगह पे. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट हैव बीन क्या हो जाएगा? हैव का हैड बीन. वेरी गुड. हैड बीन ऑन द वेब. अभी सिंस का कुछ बदलाव है क्या इसमें? सिंस का कुछ बदलाव है इसमें? सिंस का कोई चेंज वर्ड है? और आप चेक योर अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स. हाँ यहाँ पे स्टील नहीं दिया भाई, सिंस दिया है. सिंस का कोई अपडेटेड वर्ड का रूल के हिसाब से चेंजेस है? सिंस का कोई चेंजेस नहीं दिया है. सिंस ही रहेगा. ओके. सिंस का हिंस होनेगा, देंस होनेगा, वो सब नहीं होगा. हेंस का देंस होता है. हेंस विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू देंस. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स सिंस के लिए कोई वर्ड्स नहीं दिया है. अभी क्या करेंगे ना? दैट इज द रीजन आई गिव यू दिस एग्जांपल. व्हेन सिंस का वर्ड जो दिया है वो अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड के रूल बुक में नहीं है. जो वर्ड रूल बुक में नहीं है तो वो वर्ड वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स इज नॉट गिवन. उसमें तुमको हजारों वर्ड नहीं दिया है. मुश्किल से एक 20-25 वर्ड्स दिया है. तो उस जगह पे तुम क्या करेंगे? अगर अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड के अंदर से तुमसे पूछा नहीं है या कोई वर्ड इट इज कमिंग बियॉन्ड अपडेटेड वर्ड्स, सो उस जगह पे क्या होगा? वैसे का वैसे ही तुम लिख देंगे. अंडरस्टैंडिंग नाउ? 10th standard? Good. Copy the sentences. And listen, this is not only rule 2, it is just a start. हमको इसके हिसाब से सारे टेंस की चेंज करनी है यहाँ पे. उसके बाद ही rule 2 खत्म होगा. ठीक है? I'll give you a minute, copy it out, then I'll start with the second one. Second one in the sense same rule, but second bucket of ideas. जिसमें आवाज कर रहे हैं ना थोड़ा म्यूट करके रखो. Lecture is going on. And don't expect me to remove you out of the room. Shall I rub it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll go to the next rule. Next is present continuous changes to past continuous. Present continuous will be changing to past continuous. So can you give any example regarding that?
And one sentence.
पहला कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कंटिन्यूअस सेंटेंस को? कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस को? आईएनजी आएगा. वेरी गुड. द सेंटेंस, द वर्ब फॉर्म will be given. It will be given on the basis of verb form 2. V2 करके उसको बोला जाता है. अभी verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 ये सब क्या होगा? पता है कुछ? कुछ एग्जांपल बोलो. verb 1 मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? play. verb 2 में वो क्या हो जाएगा? playing. verb 3 में क्या होगा? Understood? कुछ नया वर्ड नहीं है, कुछ नया वर्ड नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट अ हैंडफुल ऑफ थिंग. प्ले, प्लेइंग, प्लेड. तो इसी को हमने वर्ब 1, वर्ब 2, वर्ब 3 करके बोला जाता है. सो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑन द वर्ब फॉर्म ऑफ सेकंड वन. सेकंड वर्ब फॉर्म के बेसिस पे तुमको मिल जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? व्हेन वी विल बी डूइंग द सेंटेंसेस तब आसान रहेगा समझने. लेट अस सी नाउ. Yes.
मैम ये रूल 3 है.
No, रूल 2 है. रूल 2 का बस सेकंड सेट है. रूल 3 नहीं है. Near you are having somewhat around 9 to 11 rules. हफ्ते निकल जाएगा पूरे ऑफलाइन लेक्चर्स में. See, present continuous. Again I am saying you मुझे डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना है यहाँ पर. म्यूट करके बैठ जाओ. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है तो फिर पूछ लेना. Example 1. She said, I am playing guitar. She said, I am playing guitar. So अभी इसमें देखो क्या होगा करके. प्रेजेंट का भी कंटिन्यूअस है. कंटिन्यूअस का मीनिंग मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस? कंटिन्यूअस मींस द वर्ब. राइट, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. द वर्ब इज प्रोसेसिंग. जो काम हो रहा है, प्रेजेंट में भी काम होने चाहिए, पास्ट में भी काम होने चाहिए. तो पास्ट में हम ऐसे कोई वर्ड इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है जिसमें उसका मीनिंग बदल जाए. इफ इन केस मैं यहाँ पे प्लेइंग का प्लेड करती हूँ, पास्ट तो हो जाएगा लेकिन वो क्या हो जाएगा? कंटिन्यूअस में नहीं आ सकता है. तो उस चीज में हमको ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए. कैसे रहेगा? सी, वेरी सिंपल. आइडेंटिफाई फर्स्ट. डायरेक्ट आंसर बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. पहले आइडेंटिफाई करो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ अ टेंस इट इज. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. वेरी गुड. रिपोर्टेड वर्ब. Reported verb. Said. किसने इतना आवाज कर दिया? रिमूव कर देते हैं. जोशी, ऑफ योर ऑडियो. सानिया, ऑफ योर ऑडियो. वर्षी, ऑफ योर ऑडियो. डू फास्ट. कुरैशी, सुहानी, ऑफ योर ऑडियो. And who is this? Sania. Sania Abdul Rahim, off your audio first. without reason disturbing. See here. She said. Said is your reported verb. Said will be as said only. Conjunction that. I will be converted to she. Change of pronoun. Now am. Am will be converted to past. Was. am का तो आर ही आएगा, पर यहाँ पे आर नहीं आ सकता है. मीनिंग बदल जाएगा और दिस इज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. was playing will be playing only. गिटार. अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स नहीं दिया है तो जरूरत नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग. She said that she was playing guitar. That's it. Any more confusion? Tenth standard, understood? I am playing, he explained. What will be the answer? I am playing. Sorry?
He explained to me that he is running. He was running.
He was running. He explained to me. क्यों? मैं यहाँ लिखा है. He explained to me करके. He explained. अभी और एक ट्रिक बताती हूँ. देखो टेंशन. अगर your direct speech is coming at first place, तो तुम्हारी indirect speech भी first place में ही आएगा. Okay? Your direct speech अगर direct speech इसमें क्या हुआ था? Second side में आया. पहला reported verb आया, pronoun आया था, फिर second side में आया, right? लेकिन इस चीज में हमने क्या करेंगे? ये first side में आ गया. तो first side का आंसर में उस हिसाब से हम लिखेंगे. What did you say? He explained that he was running. वही है ना आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
He explained that he was running. No issues. हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. सेंटेंस की मीनिंग बदल जाएगा. He explained that change of pronoun he and will become was running. Present continuous to past continuous. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
One more example. She said, I am teaching English online. She said, I am teaching English online. What will be the answer?
That she was teaching English online.
Repeat. She said will be said that
She was teaching English online.
she was teaching English online. Understanding? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
अच्छे समझ में आया?
Yes.
Good. Next, I'll wrap it out and give you the next thing now. Because of the time नहीं है फिर हम अटक जाएंगे इसे. You guys can copy it simultaneously if you need. I'll send you a booklet of examples in the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, say. Simple present will be changing to simple past. Simple present will be changing to simple past. Example. She said I am unwell. She said I am unwell. What will be the answer? She was unwell. Going to the park. He said to me, I am going to the park. आंसर क्या आएगा? He tell me आएगा. Tell me आएगा इसमें. Say to will be tell, no? Said to will be 10th standard. Said to will be very good. He told me that add of conjunction I will be becoming he. Change of pronoun. He
was going to the park.
was going to the park. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Rajesh said it's cold. What will be the answer?
They said that it's cold.
Rajesh said that Rajesh, or you can pronounce it as he also. He said that it was cold. It was cold. Understanding? This is about simple present to simple past. So whatever three type of subtitles which I taught you regarding this, like simple present will be converted to simple past, or if it is present continuous, then it will be converted to past continuous, and present perfect will be converted to past perfect. So understood all the three subtitle rules. Now you know to solve. अभी पता चल रहा है कि डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में टेंसेस के अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंसेस के हिसाब से हमको कैसे चेंज करनी है, वो समझ में आ रहा है? Good, then it is. Copy this out. I'll give you a minute, then I'll start with the next rule. Great. What is the time?
9:46.
9:46. Nearly 3 minutes left, right? Okay. I'll give you one more example regarding this. We had did about this present perfect and past perfect, no? Present perfect will be converted to past perfect. There is one more thing I have to say. Like probably when you are doing, you are using the rule of had been, right? Had been will be converted to had been. But what will happen to has? What will happen to has? Wait. Let us see. Present perfect to past perfect. No. Present perfect to past perfect. So what will happen in this first sentence? What is that sentence called? He has finished the homework. He said she has finished her homework. He said she has finished her homework. So what will happen in this case? Probably हमने change of pronoun में क्या करते हैं? I आएगा इस जगह पे, so directly हम change of pronoun में वही डाल देते हैं जो इस तरफ आता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे if you see in this case, he said she has finished her homework. So इस जगह पे क्या करेंगे? Nothing will change. He said, reported verb of said is said only. He said that she होगा इसमें. She क्यों she होगा? Because change of pronoun करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Because he is talking about another girl. हम डायरेक्टली बोलते हैं ना, तो उसने क्या करा दूसरी गर्ल के बारे में, और वो भी उसी के सामने बात चल रही है. He is talking in front of her about another girl. कोई गर्ल के बारे में बात चल रही है. So what will happen in this case? She has will be converted to has perfect. Very good. Had. Finished will be finished only. Okay. Finished her homework. Very simple. Nothing new. Okay. But we have to follow. We have to go according to our rule. Nothing new over here. Understanding? One more sentence to make your concept more clear. Ram said he has went to the market. अभी Ram said he has went to the market. He मतलब Ram है इस जगह पे. He मतलब Ram है. Ram said. Understand the sentence. Before you do question का समझ में आ जाएगा तो समझ लो कि half of the answer you Ram said he has went to the market. राम और किसी के बारे में इसमें बात कर रहे हैं. So what will happen? Ram said that he had gone लिखो, went लिखो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. gone लिखो, went लिखो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay, the meaning of the sentence will be as same as that. Shruti said to mother, I has done with my homework. What will be the answer? Shruti told mother, go according to rule, that she, because I came over here, so change of pronoun will be occurring. She had done with her work, or you can say understanding. This is like another type of present perfect to past perfect, because I had taught you about have been. Have been will be converted to had been. लेकिन तुमको ये भी जानकारी होनी चाहिए, like have been will be converted to had been, but also has will also be converted to had. Okay. And what type of a verb you will be using over here? What type of a verb you will be using over here? Verb? V3. Very good. Verb 3 will be used over here. Okay. Copy this out. Copy this out. Understanding now? Okay. Then it is well and good. So here rule 2 gets over. Okay, that's it for the class. You will get the rest thing in your WhatsApp. He told me that he is going to the Baba. Okay, very good. Most of the students had directly chatted in the chat box. That is good thing. But I was doing the board work, so that's why I was not given. So I will cut in the next class. Okay. So on the next class, I will be starting with the rule 3 directly. And whatever I am teaching you in the class, you should have a habit of practicing that. Don't come up as a blank book. Okay? Before the classes, recapitulate everything. पहले टाइम पे आके बैठ जाओ, then we'll start. Okay? Bye.